Hello, good evening, One Piece fans. We have another unit, which is second anniversary One Piece Japan. This unit is Japan, not English card. No, this is a Japan set. So I have two, which is the other one is sealed and the other one is unsealed. So this is the inside the box. So we're gonna open for us to see. This is the second anniversary set of One Piece. See how beautiful that. So right now we will unbox the first edition. The second anniversary set or the unsealed box. See that? Then I really don't understand because it was written on Japanese. So this box is sealed. Sealed the accessories. The first is the what do you call this? Sleeves. This is the second anniversary sleeves by One Piece. Beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 70 pieces. 70 pieces sleeves. So they are all sealed. The next one is this one also. The card, what you call this is when you put the card here. It's also sealed, never been opened. The next one is this card. Also sealed. This was sealed. And the last is the card. Other than this, it's nothing. Wait. I'm gonna put it back this. Oops. Oops. Number one is Loopy. You see this? Excellent condition. If you're planning to put a grade on this card, possible a PSA 10 or Beckett 10, BGS 10. Don't know if can pass for the black label, but this is good for PSA. The next is Sorrow. Excellent card. Sanji. Sabo. Sabudi. Not familiar to these characters. What a beautiful card. There is something missing in this card, which is ace. The problem is my ace card is being missing. So I want you to show what kind of card is ace. This is one. The ace card. It will be the same, no? It's the complete set. Sorry, I don't have the card right now. That will be the complete 9 set of this card. So if you're planning to buy this card, this best to buy right now because the price is so high, like a skyrocket. Then I'm selling this for a good price. Then I have a sealed one if you want to buy a sealed product. So I have that. Again for the last one. I have a page which is the same as my YouTube page, so you can buy this one. This one is the sealed one, so you can buy this at my page. That's for the day. This is the second anniversary set. So worth to buy. Have a blessed night and good evening to all of us. Thank you for watching One Piece fans.